me.
Wait. That's the bad side. Oh my god. What are you doing? Oh my god.
It's the middle.
What?
Tell me you wanted it. Oh.
We got it solid. What happened? What do we do?
You let it sit.
Get another spatula.
You get like 3 of them. We all go at one time.
Nice. Look at it. The whole inside's just.
You just
We're
broke
gonna
it.
ring.
Oh, I thought
I thought you were getting us something. Mommy, you were saying.
Mommy, can you get us a spatula while you're over there?
You can get us a lot of stuff.
Like 2 of them?
3 of them would be great.
We don't have that many
Whoa,
hands.
whoa.
Oh!
Alright, so
Alright,
everyone
give the
take a
camera to
spatula.
her. What do I have to do?
Alright, you just have to
This
hold
is
it.
a good one.
Wait, is it recording?
Yes.
Oh.
Alright, ready?
Oh, they don't scratch.
Wait, I'm not under. Okay, I'm under.
Oh!
Alright, oh yes! It's going, it's going, it's going.
Oh, God, the poor cookie.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
It's stuck.
Oh!
Obviously, you guys.
Oh my god, we have a hole! We have a hole in the middle.
Obviously,
Pork
you guys
cookie.
aren't going to get a job at Cookie Factory.
That's okay, I'm okay with that.
That could have been.
Ooh!
Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it was just in the oven, girlfriend.
What's the oven?
I don't know.
Hot.
Oh my god, Mom,